Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode I'm going to show you how to make this super crispy tofu because nobody likes soft, soggy tofu. It's gross. Also, I'm not doing the intro anymore because I know y'all just skip over it, and I can't blame you because I also skip over it. So why make you suffer? Let's just get into it. First, I'm going to slice up some firm tofu into small rectangles like so. I'm holding it at this awkward angle so that my hand doesn't block the shot, because this isn't a high production operation, folks. This is as good as it gets, so let's just get used to it now. Okay, now I'm going to marinate the tofu with some liquid aminos. Just pour it on there like a dumb idiot. And I should probably put this in the fridge for a few hours. In fact, I recommend it, but I don't have patience for all that shit, so we're just going to jump ahead to the next step. Now I'm going to throw down some cornmeal onto a plate, about a cup or so, maybe a little more. And to that I'm going to add some salt. I'm also going to add some chili powder and some cayenne pepper, but you can season it however you like, it really doesn't matter. You could put cinnamon and sugar in it for all I give a so yeah, and then once I get that seasoning in there, I'm just going to stir it all up, mix it together, and then I'm going to coat the tofu in it. And get a good amount on there. I think you get the idea. So we'll just move on to the next step. Now I'm going to add some peanut oil to a hot cast iron skillet that's over medium-high heat. And now I'm just going to toss the tofu in there and burn my fingers with hot oil because I should really be using tongs. And basically I'm just going to fry these on each side until they're nice and golden brown. Let's give it a turn and see how they're looking. Alright, that one's good. I really that one up. Damn it. Oh yeah, look at that. Golden brown, crispy deliciousness. Now I'm going to put these onto a wire rack and finish them off in the oven, or in my case the grill, for about 5 or 10 minutes, and that's going to get them super crispy. So we'll just go ahead and put those on there next to my big old pot of veggies, and voila, there's our super crispy tofu cutlets, and goddamn, that tofu looks good. Well, if you'll excuse me now, I'm going to stuff my face with this, and then I'm going to get drunk and make a worse version of this again for dinner that I probably won't eat until the morning because I'll no doubt pass out before I finish it. So, goodbye now. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And, if you've made it this far, that means I haven't annoyed you away yet, so why not watch another one?